Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the brightness on your PlayStation 5. So there is no direct slider on this. So what you want to do is go to Settings and scroll on down to Screen and Video right here. And then go to Video Output, go to the right and scroll on down. And there is one option that we have. This is called Adjust HDR. This will allow you to align your picture up a little bit with the color, accuracy, and then the brightness. So we just have to go up and down on the D-pad. So it says adjust your PlayStation 5's high dynamic range setting to optimize the video quality of your game. So press up and down until you can barely see the symbol. So I'm going to optimize this right now. So it's about right there. Then go to next and do the same thing for this screen. So until you can see the symbol, press up or down on your D-pad. Go to next. And then here is the last image right here. All right, so this should fine tune the brightness a little bit better on your PlayStation. Now, there's one more thing that we can do is we can back out here and then go to the accessibilities option on the top. Right here, select this. And then there is one option for color correction. Select this here and enable the filter. So we have three different options, and some of them are a little bit better than others. So usually I just go to like the green red right here. And we got the intensity, so if you want it less intense or the more intense. So this could add a little bit more vibrancy to your colors on your PlayStation when you're playing. And you can access this through this menu too if you press options. And you're going to have it under hidden controls. Just move it up to the top. And I do this when I'm in the game to kind of get an understanding, like if I want this on or not. That's probably the best way. So some games are a little more grayed out, so I just go to this. And then I go back, and it looks a little bit better for me. So just check it out if you're colorblind or something like that, or you got some sort of deficiency. This is just going to add more color to this. So you can see, like for the purple and the blue, it's a little bit more distinguished. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.